My favorite flux core wire, the ARCCAPTAIN. This is a 30 thousandths diameter ARCCAPTAIN flux core. This is your gasless wire, don't need a tank, really handy. I've got it in the ARCCAPTAIN MIG145PRO. So this is the smallest ARCCAPTAIN machine that I run. It runs off 110 volt. And I've got a 1/2 inch pad eye here, and this idea of doing this little check came up recently because I was using the ARCCAPTAIN MIG145PRO on a job with this flux core wire welding some 1/2 inch plate, and I got a commenter saying that you couldn't weld anything thicker than 3/8 or 3/8 or heavier with a 110 machine because it wouldn't penetrate. I guess I want to put my money where my mouth is and just give a bit of a demonstration. I couldn't get a very clear explanation from the commenter with regards to what was wrong with welding this heavier steel with the 110 volt welder. I understand you can't have a lack of penetration or insufficient penetration, cold lap porosity, or some sort of a weld defect. And if you're doing that, it doesn't matter what your machine is powered by, you've got a problem. But in the case with my work, I don't have an inspector that follows me around. I'm an independent contractor. What I weld's got to look good, and it's got to hold and do the job. And as far as I'm concerned, I don't need it to do any better than this. It looks good. It looks good to me. It holds. It serves a purpose, and I see no reason why somebody could say that you can't use this machine for this work. All right, forgive me here, guys. Give me a minute. Let me do a little advertising for the channel. These are the NBS Welding t-shirts that we got for sale. You can get an NBS Welding t-shirt for $25 plus shipping. If you email Tina at nbswelding@aol.com, then she'll get with you on what your shipping cost is going to be and get you a t-shirt. Now, in the description of my videos, there's links to our Amazon storefront. If you do anything with Amazon, use our link to get there, whether you're buying items on our storefront or just buying something else. It'll help the channel if you use my link. We also are an ARCCAPTAIN affiliate, and the links to the ARCCAPTAIN site is also in the description of my videos. So if you use our ARCCAPTAIN link, then ARCCAPTAIN will know you got there because of me. And if you buy anything from ARCCAPTAIN, use the promo code NBS Welding 5%. You'll get 5% off, and the channel will get a little credit for that. I want to thank y'all for your support. Now, leave me a comment, like my videos, and share them to anybody that you think would enjoy them. Thanks. Hey y'all, CB here. I'm the No BS welder at NBS Welding. I'm coming to you today to tell you about the ARCCAPTAIN and NBS Welding welder giveaway. We're giving away an ARCCAPTAIN MIG145PRO, just like I'm welding on the bottom of this skid steer with right now. I'm going to tell you how to enter to win. You got to comment the word ARCCAPTAIN on this video. Share this video on your social media account. Subscribe to both the NBS Welding and the ARCCAPTAIN YouTube channels. And you'll be entered to win an ARCCAPTAIN MIG145PRO, just like I'm welding with in this video. Great little machine. Runs off 120 volt. I'm running 030 flux core wire on the bottom of this skid steer. And I got a Bluetooth connection with the ARCCAPTAIN app in my phone, so I can adjust my heat while I'm laid down underneath the machine. Don't have to get up and get out of position to turn my machine up and down. Make the adjustment on the machine while I'm staying in position where I'm welding, and I get right back to work.